at the water! Come on, everybody, we've got to hurry. We've got to get to the airport on time. Okay, Papa, I'll get in the car. Hi, guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with Peppa Pig. Hurry, we've got to get to the airport before the airplane leaves us. Did you remember to get the suitcases? Oh, I knew I forgot something. La 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 la. And away we go. Vacation! There's our plane. Let's go. Time to load the bags. Yay! Great! Come on, Peppa! Yay! An airplane! I don't see a pilot. I wonder who's gonna fly the plane. Oh, I'm glad I got my pilot's license. I get to fly the plane myself.
Flying high in a plane, up above the clouds of rain. Flying high, sunny sky. Flying high and high and high.
Wow, Peppa, look at the water.
Look, Teddy, they're flying.
We're here. Our rental car should be ready for us. Great job flying, Daddy Pig. Let's go get in our rental car. Oh, I love this little car. That looks just like our car at home. So, should we go to our rental house or should we go to the beach? The beach! The beach! Okay, let's start out our vacation the right way. We're off to the beach. Look at all the palm trees and the cactus. They're so beautiful. We're at the beach. Yay! Can we build a sandcastle? Yeah, that sounds like lots of fun. Let's fill it up with sand. Now we've got to stomp it down. Come on, George, take a turn. Yay! Push it down, all the way down. Yay! Okay, let's see if it's ready. Yay! Look at our sandcastle. Good job, George. Thanks, good job, Peppa. Whoo! I can be a knight in the castle and my dragon can come save us. Hey, I have an idea. Woo, yeah, let's go. Papa, Papa. Yes, George, what is it? Do you want to come play with us? Sure, George. Show me the way. Okay, it's this way. Hi, Papa. Hi, Peppa. We thought we could bury you in the sand. Oh, that does sound like lots of fun. I'll just sit down right here. Have fun, guys. Yay! Let's bury Daddy in the sand. La 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 la. La 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 la. We need some more. Yay, we did it! That was so much fun! Hey guys, I know you're having lots of fun, but we need to get to the vacation house before it gets dark. Aw, but we're having too much fun. Don't worry, Peppa. We'll be back tomorrow. It's gonna be so much fun. Come on, everybody, let's go. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys. Guys! Hey! Help! Help! Oh, sorry, Daddy. I forgot you were buried.